Salcedo. I work for Rooter Hero Plumbing, and in today's task, we're going to go over installing a compression angle stop. The compression angle stop is going to look like this. So this is a 1/2-inch compression angle stop, quarter turn, as you can see here, quarter turn, pretty easy to use. You got your O-ring in here, which is this piece here, and you got your nut. Very important that you have this piece. Without this, the angle stop won't work correctly. Now, before we install the angle stop, I'm gonna go over a couple ways and a couple tools you can use to install this really easy. One way to do it is using 2 crescent wrenches. You wanna grab one, you wanna use one, you put it on there like this, which is gonna stop your angle stop from rotating as you're trying to tighten this nut here. And with your other crescent wrench, you tighten this. What I like to use personally is this tool here. And what it does is it comes with a 1/2-inch female and a 3/8 female. And for this one, we got a 1/2-inch male. So we're gonna put the 1/2-inch female here for leverage. You can hold it up here. And then same thing with this piece. You got a 1/2-inch, and for the 3/8. You wanna use your 1/2-inch, goes easily on there, and then you can tighten that up. And once you tighten that up, take it off, and it's really simple to use. So now you got 2 1/2-inch copper coming out of the wall. In a lot of situations, that's what you're gonna have, unless you got galvanized, and then we can talk about installing a threaded angle stopper. In this situation, we're gonna use its compression. So before you install your angle stop, you wanna unscrew your nut here, and you wanna grab your ferrule, which is this brass piece here. And the first step to do this is, after you ream your copper, grab your nut here, slide it in the copper, grab your ferrule, slide that all the way in, grab your tool, screw that on there, and then make sure that the copper goes all the way inside as far as it can go in the angle stop. Once it hits, by hand, go ahead and screw this on there as much as you can. Once that's hand tight, use your tool to get it nice and tight. After you install your angle stop, before you turn on your water, make sure your angle stops are horizontal and not vertical. Because vertical is on, horizontal is off. And this is how you install a 1/2-inch compression angle stop.